Good morning, everyone. It is Tuesday, January 29th, and let's take a look at CoinMarketCap and Bitcoin. CoinMarketCap right now stands for the overall crypto market at $113.7 billion. The 24-hour volume has increased overnight a couple of billion dollars, actually a little bit more than a couple billion dollars, to $17.8 billion for the 24-hour volume. The top 10 is starting to see some green. So we were in the red for the past couple of days, and now we're starting to peek through some green. We got Bitcoin at 0.06%. We've got the leader, as always, Tron at 4.57% in the green, and we have EOS at 3.40%. Let's look at the top gainers for the past 24 hours. We've got Uno at 140% gain in the past 24 hours. We got Link at 16.84%, and we got Pay again inside the top three at 10.53%. Let's jump into Bitcoin's 1 hour time frame. We've been slowly creeping up for the past 5 hours now. We are now above the 30 EMA, which is a great sign. Looks like the 9 EMA and the 30 EMA are going to be crossing shortly if the volume continues and pushes that 9 EMA to the upside. We might see some rejection at the 50 EMA, however, before crossing it. Typically, these larger time frame EMAs tend to stop the price or pause it momentarily before it continues to move forward. Not always, but that's usually what we see. The MACD is looking great. It's on the bearish side of the oscillators. Plenty of room to move to the upside. RSI is at 55 points. Great standing. The only thing I don't like is when I see the volume, when I see the candles increase in position, but the volume decreases. That I do not like when that happens. Usually, we tend to see the price break down when that happens. But let's hope and see that we continue. We get some push of volume to come in to at least even out these volume bars and get a little bit move to the upside. Looking at the 4 hour time frame, you can see the move here isn't as significant when you look at these higher time frames, but nevertheless we are heading back to the upside for the time being. We are still below the 9 EMA, however, on the 4 hour time frame, so we definitely have to cross that in order to really start seeing some upward momentum. So we have a very good possibility of getting rejected on that 9 EMA, which would put us at about 34.45. Would put us at the 9 EMA. So let's hope that we can break through that. The MACD on the 4 hour time frame is starting to turn. Now it's starting to turn because of that volume that we've had in the past 4 hours. This candle just opened about 10 minutes ago. So let's see how the next couple of hours play out. Let's look at Bitcoin on the 12-hour time frame. And actually, yeah, let's look at the 12-hour time frame first, and then we'll look at the 1 day. So the 12-hour, you can see here where the MACD is starting to turn just slightly. The RSI has a nice W. It is at 37 points. Now, the channel that Bitcoin was in for quite some time is now acting at the bottom of that channel. The support of that channel is now acting as resistance for the past day and a half. So we have to definitely break that new resistance, old support, and hopefully we start seeing some move back up to the upside. Now, the 1 day time frame, you can see where we're sitting right below that previous support, which is now becoming resistance. The MACD, however, shows a much different story. It's really still a very flat line. Not much move, being that that drop we had wasn't very big. It was in dollar wise, it wasn't that much. It wasn't enough to really indicate a very significant turn on the 1 day time frame. But nevertheless, it does look bearish technically on the 1 day time frame, but that can easily change. Hopefully we get some $200-300 increase to the upside. We can start seeing that turn at least neutral or a little bit of an uptick to the upside on the 1 day time frame. We are way below the 9 EMA, however, on the 1 day time frame, so we have a lot of catching up to do just to get to the 9 day EMA, and that'll put us at about 35.16 as it stands right now for that EMA. So, all right, guys. Well, we will have our Zoom session. Our new time for the Zoom session today is at 4 o'clock Pacific Standard Time, 5 o'clock Mountain Standard Time, and 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So we will have discuss all the alts, especially all the USDT pairing alts. We'll take requests from you guys. We'll do community questions and answers for all you members on my Discord. Thank you guys very much, and have a great day.